Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to build an amazing showroom. It's day 11, and today it's all about the interior structure wall and the front entrance. So right here, I'm actually at the front entrance of our original showroom, which is going to be eventually removed. This is where customers used to come in. We're going to block that up eventually with some cinder block. But right now I just want to focus on part of the site preparation we had to do in order to get this interior wall set up. There was actually some stucco foam finish here around the perimeter of the entrance. We actually had to remove also an awning just to clear the area to get this 2x6 wall in. The thing about this wall that's really important is the fact that this is a load-bearing wall. It's going to be supporting the roof trusses. So over here you can see we got full 20-foot length, 12-inch on center, and that's really important so that it could take the weight and the dead loads of the roof. So just wanted to show you guys that, and I'm going to show you guys now the aluminum curtain wall. Hey guys, so I'm in front right now, the new front entrance. Right at my feet is the new curtain wall that we're going to be rising up and installing in just a few moments. But I just want to explain the preparation before we install it. So we had to blue skin the buck frames, and the reason why we do this is because we don't want any moisture affecting the wood. We've also even painted it with a blue skin paint, so everything is really stuck tight. We've put our aluminum brackets on. We put our aluminum brackets on the floor as well. They're Tapcon there. And those aluminum brackets are gonna get screwed onto our curtain wall. So that way the curtain wall can't move right, left, center, wherever. It's secured in spot. So this is it. This is the setup. We're just about to rise this thing up. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this. And just like that, we have our new showroom entrance. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you on the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. See you around.